Common grammar mistakes in English. Wrong. She was boring in the class. Right. She was bored in the class. Wrong. Every student's like the teacher. Right. Every student likes the teacher. Wrong. I enjoyed from the movie. Right. I enjoyed the movie. Wrong. I like very much ice cream. Right. I like ice cream very much. Wrong. Where I can find a bank. Right. Where can I find a bank? Wrong. I live in United States. Right. I live in the United States. Wrong. She doesn't listen me. Right. She doesn't listen to me. Wrong. You speak English good. Right. You speak English well. Wrong. You should not to smoke. Right. You should not smoke. Wrong. She's married with a dentist. Right. She's married to a dentist. Wrong. She is success. Right. She is successful. Wrong. I want eat now. Right. I want to eat now. Wrong. My husband engineer. Right. My husband is an engineer. Wrong. It is more hot now. Right. It's hotter now. Wrong. We drive usually to home. Right. We usually drive home.